He takes the ball behind the net, gets around Onondaga defender. He's got a good stick on him. He looks to square up, shoot, score! Vinny Rivera. We got a streaking. Number 3, one-on-one with the goalie for Newtown, score! Gets around defense, gets around Bucktooth, one-on-one with the goalie, score! Vinny Rivera. Here, we got a 7 and 8-year-old kid using them. Here's Vinny Rivera. Again, Rivera score, natural hat trick, number 20, Vinny. He's got inside the zone again, over the shoulder and score, Vinny. First 4 goals, Vincent moves there by number 7. There's Torres, he's getting in the Newtown zone. Nice twister shot, score! Oh, that was pretty. Oh, no, look at this, look at this, look at this. Do it, buddy. Munoz gets down the near lane. Oh, big check coming in, big double. Shoot and score. That's number 19. Gets around one guy, big shot, score. Good, Induce. Bucktooth comes up with it. He gets around a Newtowner. He's one-on-one. Backhand, oh, that was pretty. Florida number 9, I do believe that's Trey Cornfield. Cornfield with a shot, nice save there by goaltender Bivens Burke. Okay. Remington Bivens Burke, the goaltender for Onondaga. Here's Gabriel. Good defense there by Newtown number. Nephew still has it. He's in the center of the lane. He got a little bit of numbers. Nephew looking for a shot. Just wider than that. Rebounded by Bivens Burke. That's a good defensive play. Good clean check there by Gabriel. Good pressure there by Onondaga. Picked up by Vincent Rivera. Here we go. He's going to take charge. There's a check on the arm. Delayed penalty. Arm goes up by Chris Crane. Vincent Rivera goes through all Red Hawks. Rivera. Oh, and the play was busted down on the crease. That's Trey Cornfield. Number 9, Trey Cornfield. Number 13 would be Baby J. Genoa Renfro. Officials make the final decision on the floor, but good effort there by the Onondaga goaltender to save that goal, still keep it tied. Power play. Here's Onondaga in the Newtown zone. He's looking to the net. That's a good save by Newtown goalie. At the face-off, that's won by Onondaga, number 18. Bryson Montgomery up there. He gets around, being chased by Quade Bucktooth. Rivera is looking over for Baby J. Rivera will keep it. Big save there by. That's good work by Onondaga, number 19. Jackson Gabriel gets inside. Score! Good work. That plays Rylan Elm. He's going to get it. Being guarded up by Vinny Rivera. Looking in front. Here's Hudson Munoz. Turns and shoots. Save by Sagoyan Ta. A couple guys up front. He's looking for Kaysen. Chased down by 4 Red Hawks. And Vinny goes down, and we got a picked up by Genoa Renfro. Baby J score! Passing up, looking up for number 19. That's intercepted by number 9, Trey Cornfield. He's going to turn on his wheels. He's got one man to get around that wooden stick. Big save by Biggins Burke. And we're just having a good day today, Greg. We're going to have a really good day. Nice save there by Onondaga. Bivens Burke. Trey Cornfield gets around him. Here's Quade Bucktooth. Big shot from 50 feet away. Save by Kraus. Another big save by Mavin Kraus. Hatsugoya into the Onondaga zone. Cornfield. He gets in deep. Shoot, score! Nice shot. I really like that. So here we go. Face-off win by number 5 of Onondaga. That's Zephyr. Zephyr gets into Newtown zone. Save by Kraus. Gets around Renfro. There's a shot. Good pass. Actually, that was a pass inside to number 22. Pass work in there around the horn there. That's what you like to see. 7, 8 years old, you can move the ball around very well. That's defense by in the zone. Here's Rylan Elm. Passes it on over to Jackson Gabriel and score. Jacobs. Here's Jacobs getting in the Newtown zone. He getting some action. Nice power cradle. Good defense there by Trey Cornfield. Oh, and that was just off the goalie's best friend. Shot taken by Jackson Gabriel. That's picked up by Marino. Marino takes a shot. Good defense there in front. Here we go with Trey Cornfield. That kid's got wheels. That kid's got wheels. If you're not in front of him now, you're. Oh, that's a big hit. Oh. Newtown. Into Newtown territory. Here's Bucktooth. He's got numbers. Shot. Saved by Kraus. Ball's loose outside the crease. Rebounded by Bucktooth. Another save by Kraus. Bucktooth with another rebound. Looking up front to Gabriel. Gabriel score! By Newtown to keep him out. Torres turns, shoots, saved by Kraus. Rebounded by Hudson. Gabriel goes after. He's a ground ball machine this game, that Gabriel. All backhand pass to Quade Bucktooth. Big shot, save. Big save by Mavin Kraus. It's down by Quade Bucktooth. Met up with Louis Torres. Gets around him, Louis Torres. We got a delayed penalty. And yeah, for sure. I mean, that's a big save by Bivens Burke. Out here at Logan Field, you know, everybody comes together for the kids. Remember that, for the kids. Dogga territory, Cornfield, shimmies, shakes, takes a big hit there by number 15 of Rylan Elm. Cornfield, big shot. Just over the net, rebounded by Baby J. Oh, just missed. Puts Onondaga up 8-6. Here we go with Trey Cornfield. Trey Cornfield, we got a delay penalty at center. He gets around Cornfield. He meets Rivera. Ball comes loose. Good defense there by Vinny Rivera. He picks it up now with Rivera. He picks it up now with the loose ball. It'll be good defense there by Quade Bucktooth. We got a battle here. Loose ball battle won by Bucktooth. Shot. Score! Oh, he snuck it in there. Saved by Mavin Kraus. Picked up by Jackson Gabriel. Jackson Gabriel gets pounded out by 3 Newtowners and on the crease. Gabriel with the loose ball. Loose ball. Score! Out of the penalty box. Zephyr inside. Score! With the greedy. He's greedy. Bucktooth. Good defense there by Vinny. He's backed up by number 18, Bryson Montgomery. Here's Vinny Rivera. He's getting in one-on-one with Bivens Burke. Saved by Bivens Burke. Rivera just missed over the net. Good work there by Rivera on his knees. What an effort by Vinny Rivera. Good work there, young stud. Hawks going for it. Here's Montgomery. That's good defense there by Trey Cornfield. Cornfield picks it up. Cornfield gets a pick. Steps, shoots, saved by Bivens Burke. Good work with it. Jackson Gabriel picks up the Lucy in a corner. Oh man, that's a big effort. And really big effort by Jackson Gabriel. Andre turns, passes, looking inside to Bucktooth. Bucktooth comes up with it. Kraus was out of position and score. Liam Gates, I'm sorry. Here we go, Baby J. Genoa Renfro gets inside. That's a save by Bivens Burke. Renfro, that ball's loose again. Oh, here's Renfro. Baby J gets inside, one-on-one. Baby J, big save by Bivens Burke. He's saved by Bivens Burke. He's got to get up. Oh! Oh, clip it, Greg. Kids enjoy it too, Greg. It's all, you know, it really is. And like I said the other night, everybody has their phones out. Oh, that's good defense there by Vincent Rivera. Oh, that's a big run by Vinny Rivera. He still has it. Good work. 4 Red Hawks all over him. Still loose. Rivera gets it again. The ball's loose on the floor. Oh, no. Rivera, nice move there by Vinny. He stays with that loose ball. Man, Vinny's playing a really hard game today. He gets a pick. He gets inside. Vinny, territory. Marino, good defense there by Two Guns and Rivera. Oh, and Trey Cornfield comes in for one. Good battle in the far left corner. Here's Bryson Montgomery. Oh, big defensive hit. Vinny Rivera. Rinaldi has it. Let me see if I can say your name after you take this shot and save by Mavin Kraus. Gray Cornfield looking for Vincent Rivera. He gets it inside, one-on-one, shoot, score! Torres, here's Cornfield. Is he going to turn the wheels on? He does. He's in Onondaga territory. Cornfield, shoot, save by Onondaga territory. He's got a defender on him. Vinny, one-on-one, shoot, score! Vincent Rivera. Congratulations, Onondaga Redhawks, your 2024 NAMLA Tyke champions. Also, to your runner-up,